Okay, so today we're going to be looking at hypothetical sales data for a luxury watch brand. Here we have the sales data for various sales reps for the month of December. And basically, our objective is to look up Bianca Solomon's December sales dollars using the XLOOKUP function in Excel. Okay, so first let's take a look at the XLOOKUP function. You'll see that there are three mandatory arguments: the lookup value, lookup array, and the return array. So the lookup value is basically the value to search for. In our case, we are searching for Bianca Solomon in cell D16. Our lookup array is the range to search in, so in our case, we'll be searching in the sales rep column between A16 and A22. Our return array is going to be basically our desired output. In our case, we're looking for the December sales for Bianca Solomon, so we want the December sales column. So we would highlight from B16 to B22 for our return array. Okay, so let's type in equals XLOOKUP. We're going to grab our lookup value, which is Bianca Solomon, comma. We're going to grab our lookup array, which is our sales rep name. And we're going to make this an absolute reference, as we don't want our columns or rows to move if we ever want to make this function be dynamic and be able to drag it down without losing where our ranges are locked in. And our return array for December sales. And I'm going to do F4 to lock it in, close my parentheses. And here I have Bianca Solomon's sales of $100,000. Now, I know I kind of rushed through the absolute references there. If you would like to learn more about absolute references, I can create a separate video explaining that in more detail. Just let me know down in the comments and I'd be glad to create that video for you. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name's Renee and I'm a certified public accountant. I have over 13 years experience in financial analysis and I've worked across varying industries. Here on this channel, I like to share some of the tips and tricks that I have learned along the way. And if you're interested in this type of content, please do subscribe to this channel. Now let's get back into the tutorial. So as you can see here, we have Bianca Solomon's sales of $100,000. Now, what's nice about this XLOOKUP function is that it's dynamic. So basically, if I wanted to look up a different sales rep's name, I could type in their name and it would give me their sales dollars. So in this case, I could type in Norma Brown and it gave me her $110,000 of sales for December. I could also create a list of sales rep names that I wanted to look up and drag this XLOOKUP function down to get all of their sales numbers at the same time. So if I wanted to type in, let's say, Mario Gonzalez and drag this formula down, I can have his sales numbers as well, and that's $25,000. So the real value of using the XLOOKUP function is that it's more efficient. Otherwise, you could basically use the Control F to find each sales rep by name using the find functionality in Excel. You could also add a filter here at the top and filter one by one for each sales rep's name. Or you could manually scroll down the list and find the sales rep you're looking for and find the sales dollars that they achieved that month. But that would be really inefficient, time consuming. So the XLOOKUP function is basically an exercise of efficiency and allowing you to also get through large amounts of data more quickly. Let's say you had a much longer list of sales reps to go through. It would be really time consuming for you to either manually scroll through and look for the sales rep's name or filter by selecting one by one each sales rep in your filter drop down, or by using the find functionality using Control F in order to find each sales rep's name one by one. All of those, they work, but they're more time consuming. So XLOOKUP just gives you more of your time back, and it gives you more accuracy. You're less likely to select maybe the wrong number. You know, eyes do play tricks, and we might select the name right underneath it, or the sales dollars right underneath the name that we're looking for, and make manual errors. So XLOOKUP is more, efficient. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you found this tutorial useful. Please do subscribe to the channel. If you have any further questions or any video ideas that you want me to produce for you, just let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.